Okay, in this video we're going to set up a rate now that we've got our charges, comments and housekeeping items all set up. So under settings and setup, under rates, got a few already pre-set up there. We're going to look at just setting up a rack rate or a standard rate for our two-bedders there. So to add one in, we click the add button at the top here, put in my reference, okay. We then select the room type it relates to, so a two-bedder, the tariff plan based on that tariff plan we set up earlier for the two-bedder, and then we select our agent as well. This one's going to be our direct one here. If we have set up commission and clean and linen charges on our rooms, we can override them if we use a rate on the booking. So we're going to tick the boxes there because we want to insert some charges and housekeeping items in here. We can also apply an arrival check to this rate, which is another housekeeping item of course, but not a chargeable one. Okay, over on here the tariff plan. Based on the tariff plan here, the two-bedder that we selected, it's giving us our pricing per night, and we can see here from the current day moving forward. And if you remember, if we got down to the last week or two of September, early October, our tariff charges changed because of being school holidays. So we can see the difference in those ones there, and then things changing back to our low rate again into that mid-October period. Right, so we'll save our changes. We'll go to the charges tab. From here we can select existing charges, we can add a new charge, modify or remove charges there. If I go to select an existing charge, it shows me all my individual ones that I set up earlier in the rate charges screen. What I want to do with this one, however, instead of selecting the individual ones, is to select a charge package. So this one based here on my management fees for an apartment, select that one there, and it drops in my commission, advertising, extra person and starter pack charges in one go. I also need to of course set up my housekeeping charges, so into the housekeeping tab. Again, I can select individual charges if I want to from my list, or because I've set up a package, select one of those, select the two-bedder, and again we've got 4 charges listed there: a depart clean and linen, service clean and linen for the relevant room types. This one here, we've got the incorrect service clean listed there for a one-bedder. So what we can do with that one is remove that selected item, and then instead of selecting a package again, let's just select the one item, so a service clean for a two-bed from our list in here. So we scroll down looking for our service cleans for the two-bed, service clean, two-bed, three-bed, there we go, that's the one we require. Click on that one there, and then we've added that in as our correct charge for this particular rate. Comments, we can add those in based on the ones we've inserted. Modify my record, I can select an existing comment from these ones here. This is the one we're going to use, this 4-bed one here. So we want this to apply to our housekeeping comments there, so we'll tick the appropriate box there. You can see, although you've set up these comments linked to guests, manager, etc., you can still apply them to different ones as you work through adding in the information to the rate. So we'll select that one on there, and you'll see now we've got a housekeeping item or comment showing in there, which will be part of the booking information when we look at that. If we wish to do so or add another comment in there, we can edit our comment list, and it brings us back to that comment area where we can add a further one in, so that we've got a further one to select from when we hit the button here. So we save our changes, close out of there, just pop back into the rates list there, and what we have is our new two-bed rack rate there that we've just added in, now available for us to select when we're inserting a booking.